everybody, this is Nerf Gun Reviewer 331 here today, and for today's video, I'm going to be going over these kind of sick cosmetics I've implemented into the Nerf rival Apollo 700. Now, before I get into these cosmetics, I did not design these, I did not invent these, I simply 3D print them for the purpose of this video. All credit goes to their responsible creators or inventors. Now, all four of these designs, from the scope, the raised angled rail, the barrel attachment, and the barrel adapter, they all go and all came from Thingiverse. Thingiverse is a very popular 3D printing website that I use to find designs and then try to implement them into Nerf guns, see if they work, see if they don't, things like that, and see what I have to modify. Also, I got 4 rival rounds. Found four rival rounds in a, I think this is a 15-round magazine. I think so, maybe. I don't know. It looks like it holds 15. The other one holds 7, I believe. So, I'm gonna throw this in. Now, as far as this gun's modifications, this was modified a long time ago. Also, just an FYI, don't saw off the stock and think you could throw a long shot stock onto it. It won't work. I tried it, didn't work. Anyhow, I'm still trying to... Ooh, some glue on here. Ooh, just came right off. I'm still trying to find a appropriate stock that I could either 3D print or design myself and just slap it on. Something that's comfortable, but also can fit in a 6x6x6 inch area. Because that's what I currently have for a 3D printer. The other, I do have a resin printer, but that's a little bit smaller on all 3 axes. But as far as the modifications go, aside from the giant gaping hole in the back, and I want to put a 3D printed stock on here, aside from all that, the modifications, I believe I took out the AR, which I think allows it to rechamber 2 shots or 3 shots, or how many shots I can actually do. As far as the scope goes, if I just line it up with the camera, there used to be a little circle right here on the sight, but that broke off after I got the print done. So, and the angled rail is actually the most helpful one. This angled rail here is the most helpful piece of 3D printed mastery. This is like the best technology, the best piece to put onto a rival blaster, especially the Apollo, because usually the rail goes just all the way down flat. It's not angled. It's not anything like that, and it gets in the way. And I just love the angled rail, and I had to print one. For the scope, this was a basic scope. I don't know if there's any other pieces needed to this, but it printed pretty thoroughly and worked out pretty well. The longest piece that took the longest time was actually this barrel. I mean, it's pretty obvious. I mean, it's a big barrel. It unscrews. A lot of screws. This is what it looks like. Simple. And then plug it back in. The adapter was, I didn't realize that the adapter had to be printed as well, because we got all 3 pieces except for the barrel adapter. I'm thinking, oh, I don't need that. Little did I know, because without this barrel adapter, this piece here, it made it very impossible to slap a barrel on there. So that's about it. Yep, 2 shots. I don't know where that last one went, and I don't think it matters. They both went in. Cool. Wow, I just realized how powerful these things are. I haven't picked up a rival blaster in a very long time. And last one. Oh yeah, like seriously, a stock would be perfect for this thing. A better one. That is it. I will try and find the links for each one of these. I think these two are the barrel adapter and the barrel itself came from the same guy in the same post. The scope, I believe, came with a different guy, and the angled rail probably came with a different guy. I'll try and find all three links for you guys to search on your own and see what I mean by it. But I would highly recommend all three of these. The scope just mainly for cosmetics and just give you something to look down on for aim down. And the angled rail is a definite. Definitely get the angled rail. It's definitely worth all the trouble and pain. Do keep in mind whatever attachments you put in, like the barrel adapter and barrel piece. Well, not the barrel piece, but the barrel adapter and the angled rail. You have to take the red shell off and then put them in, slide them into place, and then slap it back on, and then screw it back in. Now, the one downside about this is for this barrel piece, before I end the video, this barrel piece and the adapter look cool, but there's a problem here. I don't know how I'm going to get this to close. I want it to be closed all the way, but it's not closing. Could be something that I did during when I tried to modify this. But aside from that, it's not a big problem. It just means I have to rotate the barrel every now and then, get it back aligned. But it just won't close. Not a big deal. Anyway, thanks for watching, guys. This is Nerf Gun Reviewer 331 here today, signing off for today. Hope you guys enjoyed the video on the cosmetics that I have 3D printed from the different people at Thingiverse that created all these. All credit goes to them for designing these, and I'm just here to promote their 3D printed pieces. Thanks for watching, guys. See you guys later.